Hello, my name is Alain Levesque, VE9ACL. I've been having a problem with my vehicle with noise on the VHF for a couple of years now. Never really took the time to look at it, and today, yesterday I looked at it and stuff like that, and I knew I needed a filter, so I could buy one through a local electronic shop here, but I decided to try to make one. As you can see in the back, I'm not an expert in electronics, but I like to play with electronics. And with the help of VE9 TEK Gaston Robichaud here in Bathurst, New Brunswick, he's very knowledgeable in electronics. So we had a discussion on the VHF this morning, and he confirmed the idea I had, plus he added some more feature to the plan. So we're going to try to see if this is going to work today. I'm going to take a video of the vehicle while it's running, and you're going to hear the noise, and I'm going to install the filter, and then we'll see if it's going to work out after that. So this is a tutorial for how to make a filter. Now if it works, fine. I don't know the result yet. I haven't tried it. I just finished the project, and I looked on the internet and I had problem finding information on how to build such a filter. Even though it's quite basic, it's very easy to do. I just didn't want to start something without having information. It always works best if you do your research before. So without further ado, I'm going to shut this down, and I'm going to go upstairs and put that record the truck before and install that and record after, and we'll see what's going to happen. So stay with me and I'll be right back. Hello again. Okay, we're in the garage, and problem vehicle today with the filter is a 2007 FJ Cruiser, and I'm gonna go in the vehicle and try to find the keys first. There you go. Sorry about that. Oh, by the way, this is my assistant Smilu. He's always very anxious to hear what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna shut the door and start the vehicle here, and put the VHF on. And just gonna go here outside. Sorry about that. And I'm gonna rev the engine. It's getting worse if I travel a little bit. I don't know if you could hear that. Seems like it's coming from all speakers, but it's really just the it's actually not bad today, but if I would go on the road, it'd be really there you go. Alright, let's see if we could do something with the filter. Hey folks, well, I'm going to show you a bit of the installation. It's not complete, it's not taped at the end or heat shrink, but I took, I don't know if you could see, positive, and I went to the filter, back to positive, and I have grounded this filter here. Now the radio is on, as you can see, and I'm gonna turn the key, and we're gonna hear if we hear anything other than and it seems like it's working. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna finish up the installation, and I'm gonna take a little road trip and see if it works, and we'll see you in a bit. Okay, I done the road test. Everything is fine. There's no more noise, no more smoke. After that, I spoke with my friend V90K, and he figured that I must have picked a wrong resistor, and that's probably what happened, so it burnt out. As he explained to me, the resistor is there to bleed out the excess. If I disconnect the power to it, it gives a chance to the capacitor to bleed into that resistor to ground, so there's no spark or nothing like that. It's only 12 volt, so therefore I'm gonna leave it like that for now, and we'll see. My main concern after that was that I was wondering if that's gonna overheat and burn the vehicle, but after, I'm gonna leave it on for a while, but there's no heat whatsoever from the coil or the capacitor, so it does the job. And it cost me nothing compared to roughly 20 bucks that the local electronic shop was asking for a similar filter. I took it from a scrap box, an old coil from, I don't know where I took it, probably a power supply, and two capacitors I had on hand here, a pill bottle and a couple of wires, that's it, and it worked. So I hope this video is going to be helpful for people who has noise in their radio, especially VHF. I don't know if it work with, I'm pretty sure it would work with audio as well. I have a fairly decent sound system in the truck, and I did not have any problem ever with that. Of course, the wire gauge are bigger, and so on and so forth. So this video is just to show you how to fabricate a filter and reduce or totally eliminate the noise from the vehicle. I hope you enjoyed this video, and of course I'm not responsible for any damage if you've done anything like that similar to your vehicle. This is only a tutorial to help people, and until next time, this is Alain, V9ACL, and we're going QRT now, and thank you. Okay folks, well, last time I videotaped that, I was installing everything worked, but I'm going to show you something here. I had put a 40K 1 watt resistor at the end of the filter. Well, that smoked up really bad. It filled the container, or where I had my I'm going to try to switch that around there, but it filled the little pill bottle where I put the container full of smoke. So I removed that, and I tried that anyway, and it seems to be working fine. So I'm going to test it a little bit, then I'm going to take a little road trip to put some amperage into that filter, and we'll see what's going to transpire out of that. So again, the resistor burned out for some reason, and I'm going to check it out a little bit more, and I'll keep you updated on this video. Thank you.